I think for GE, this has been our focus. We have put our vision towards precision health. Precision health to us is all about using the digital insights, developing analytical solutions, developing AI-based solutions, which will drive towards a patient outcome which is going to be precise. When we say precise, how can you be correct first time? How can you be quick in making those decisions? If you make those decisions with right insights, you can provide a very precision solution for patients' health. And that has been our goal. And digital is all behind it. In fact, IoT devices to make our millions of devices that are there in the field, to convert them into digital outcome driven solutions. We are using the edge solutions, which are IoT devices, and AI is becoming the backbone of almost all our solutions. Our first device got FDA approval on detection of pneumothorax using artificial intelligence. Just in last month, we got approval from FDA. We just launched Mural, which is a solution on tele-ICU, which again uses artificial intelligence and data analytics for understanding patients' health and how do you really direct the attention of the doctors to the right patient who is going through the challenging times. So digital is here to stay, and digital is where our goal is, and precision health is where our vision is. Well, it is a necessity. It's not a risk. It's a necessity. I think, in 1978, there was a declaration of health for all in Alma Ata. I mean, have we reached that goal? No. Despite development of technologies in making great devices, it still has not brought down the cost of treatment to patients. And the only way to really drive towards that goal is creating these digital solutions, AI-based solutions, which are going to help make this, diagnostics as well as treatment reach nooks and corners of the world. And when you make that happen, it's a technology which is going to continuously evolve, which is also going to create a newer markets, because the healthcare market is going to expand. And for us, it is all about investment. It's not about risk. The risk is going to be always there, but it's a risk that needs to be taken to the betterment of the health of the world and to the betterment of the patient's health. Well, I think we launched a platform called Edison Platform, Edison X Platform, which basically is a platform on digital side, which is helping in bringing insights about the patient's health. What it is going to do is not just make GE Healthcare develop solutions, we're also bringing partners from outside, startups, people who want to really develop solutions with us or independently. And we, in fact, are launching the first cohort of startups to come on our platform, create these solutions, and we mentor them. We develop solutions along with them in some cases, and we help them launch them, and also give them access to the market. So that's one. And I talked about Mural solution, which was launched. Mural is an abstract painting. That means you can create a painting of whatever you want. Mural talks about tele-ICU. How do you take care of patients in ICU when the experts are not there? So you want to have a tele-ICU done for 10 patients or 100 patients or multiple hospitals. You can choose whatever you want, and accordingly you can make your system bigger or smaller. So it's an expandable or customizable solution. That's why you call it Mural. That's another one. So similarly, I think the other one I talked about, pneumothorax. Pneumothorax is about detecting collapsible lung. When the lung collapses, breathing becomes difficult. Our X-ray solutions today, when you take an X-ray, it can detect through artificial intelligence as soon as you take the X-ray. And what it does is it brings it up in the list of radiologists, so that radiologist first comes and sees this and makes a decision. See, competition is always going to be there, which is what makes it interesting. See, there are a lot of small players, there are a lot of big players. Everyone is there. Everyone wants to have a pie of this. I think GE has a unique strength of being in position with millions of our devices in the market, which is helping us in knowing clinical understanding of the diseases, clinical understanding of our patients. That is there. We have traditional strength. In addition to that, we have built in a strong digital platform across the world. We have one of the best teams working around. We are not just believing in the strength that we have, we are also looking at partnership with others. So competition will continue to be there, but I think it's all about the nimbleness with which you move and you create solutions for the right markets at right time is what is going to really drive the solution. Well, I think, as a CTO, our goal is always to keep the organization moving very fast and address the market requirements. I think now the government has come up with a new digital strategy, and we need to align with that. We need to work with the government, and we need to have the right people to really look at the strategy in terms of what's going to be our goal on digital strategy as well as digital solutions for the country. What works in US may not work in India. What works in India will be because the data that is coming from India will work here, because demographic requirements need that the data needs to be used from Indian patients for Indian solutions. Those become real challenges, and we are working with different hospitals, research institutions. We are working with the government to figure out how do we make this move faster. And my challenge as a CTO is one is creating these partnerships. Second is in working with all these research institutions, and also keeping the talent at a very high level of motivation to drive this as fast as we can.